Let's make an Illumineuro nasal spray. I have tried Selank and Semax, but I have not tried PE 2228 or Pinealon, so I'm excited. My friend gave me this to try out, and I will tag her down below, but this is what it has and the amounts. Okay, finally got it open. I struggled a bit, and we're going to prep it as usual. And right here I have 1 ml of saline, sterile saline, and I'm gonna put it into here. I'm not gonna show it on camera because I have gotten my videos deleted before, so I'll be back. And now I'm just mixing it, make sure it's dissolved. It looks pretty good to me. Forgot to prep this first. I'm going to spray it with alcohol to make sure it's completely sterile. Air dry for a little bit. Now I'm going to put 9 ml of sterile saline into this, and I try to keep everything as sterile as I can, not touching the syringe, so I can insert it into here. That's 3, 6, and 9. Take my pep and the noodle that I just used, and I'm going to clean it again because I just touched it with my finger, though I sprayed my hands with alcohol before I started. And I'm going to take it out. And I'm gonna be off camera because I don't want to get deleted. By the way, this is not a tutorial. I am such a noob when it comes to peppers, but I like to try things out. Since I started this pepper journey, I feel amazing. I've lost 35 pounds so far, and all my pain is basically gone. I have some like rougher days, nothing compared to what I was feeling before though. I used to have like very bad pain on my legs that I would barely even be able to walk, and ever since I started this little investigation, I feel unstoppable. I feel amazing, so I'm gonna keep investigating. I should have pushed air into the vial because it's like trying to suck it back in. So basically I'm gonna take the noodle off, the sharp part, and put it into my 9 ml of saline. I also sprayed this with alcohol to make sure it was sterile, and I let it sit out for a little bit. So I'm just gonna put it into my spray. Oh, I have my friend's label maker here. I'm gonna make a cute label for it. I have the Nimbot, I don't know, like the B2 or something. It's like very simple, but she has like the nice holographic one, so I'm gonna make something cool for this because I don't know, Illumineuro sounds like you're transcending to another dimension. So this is the finished result. I'm not gonna take it right now because it's nighttime, and she suggested to me to take it in the morning, so I will try it out tomorrow. When I used to take my Semax, I would take it in the morning before I had like a gig, or I was gonna do a lot of stuff during the day to just give me more focus and energy. So I'm excited to try this out. I'll spray this tomorrow, and maybe I'll post a little update.